ஏன்டா மாறினே கல்யாணத்துக்கு முன்னால உன் சம்சாரம் கூட ஏன் சம்சாரம் மாறிட்டானா இதெல்லாம்
Yeah. 116. Alexa, turn on focus. First checking for damage in the box. Here is one damage. If the box is new, yes, it seems to be looking new. So the price is 22,200. The actual price is somewhere less. It is only 14,000. They have posted a sticker on top of it. IPS display, 1 millisecond MBR radiant FreeSync, 27 centimeter. The box looks new. Power cable, HDMI cable, power adapter, stand, screws, you have a rubber pad on these sides so it's not slipping. These are the ports available: VGA to HDMI, audio in, and some headphone port. You have a headphone port and the power adapter. Okay, power adapter. No, there is no cable management.
Oh, the Apple Pencil is an
Playing from Apple's Mac Mini.
Next up is the official Apple's 11-inch iPad Pro, and recommended it in all of my accessory videos for that iPad. I'm so glad that's your iPad Mini anytime, anywhere, but if you want more, keep on watching. There's a lot more to this list. Next up is the Anker Nano Pro. This tiny little 20-watt USB-C fast charger is smaller and faster than the one that comes in.
So here is the power button. Here is the power button, just one small button, that is what it is. One button to control the complete monitor. There is no other button. So if you press once, you will get this option. So here you will see is power, settings, picture mode and input. Okay, these are the four options you will see. So let's go to settings. Okay, if you press power off, it will go, it will switch off. If you go to picture mode, these are the options you will get: custom, reader, photo, cinema, color weakness and game. These are the options you will select. You can select whichever you want. I have kept it in custom because I don't use any other picture mode. So when you press the power button again, you will get these options. So let's go to input, and when you go to input, these are the options you will see. Okay, input list is D sub, that is VGA, HDMI 1, HDMI 2. I have connected this in HDMI 2, and I already have a PS4 connected to this monitor to play games. Okay, so these are the options you will get when you when you select inputs. Okay, you can either select HDMI 1 or HDMI 2, whatever you wish. Okay, so again let's go to settings. This is the last mode. So now we will go to settings. Okay, this is the last mode. When you go to settings, these are the options you see. Quick settings, under quick settings, you will see this option: brightness, contrast, volume. For the speaker, there are two speakers in it. I'll show you the difference. Color, temperature, that is what the picture mode. And then here you will see inputs. You can select either HDMI 1, HDMI 2 or VGA. And then here you have a picture mode to adjust the picture settings. So these are the options you see. Okay, picture mode, picture adjust, game adjust, color adjust, configuration adjust, which is not enabled, it is grayed out, resolution is grayed out, picture reset is grayed out. And then again when you go to sound, you see these options: volume, main audio, HDMI, max audio is on. I have switched on max audio. So these are the options you see under sound. Under general, you will see you can select the language. Smart energy saving, I have kept it as low. Automatic standby is off. I have turned off the standby mode, and OSD lock is off. And then other things are information and reset the monitor. In case if you wanted to if you have calibrated this monitor according to your settings, then you can reset it. Okay, these are the options you see here.